So I don't know what happened, but YouTube just decided to end the other live stream. It just like, okay, there's no data, this live stream is over. It shouldn't be like that. Normally when I do like scheduled live streams, that is not how it works. But for some reason when it's not scheduled, it's now like if you just stop the feed, it just stops. So I learned that now. I will probably schedule every live stream from now on, because that gives me some chance to react to whatever is going on my system when, you know, things go wrong. But if I don't schedule it, if I just like go live, and if something goes wrong, and if I'm not able to provide some feed for at least 2 minutes, it will just die. You know, the live stream will be just over, which is not great. So yeah, now I learned that. Probably need to announce this live stream again on my socials, but I don't want to do that. I probably lost like some people who were watching, but whatever, it is what it is. I don't want to like spam people on socials now, but let me see like what just happened here. I'm gonna at least do a follow-up to my previous post. Hello, thank you for staying here. I don't know what happened there. Literally, I just like kind of like live streaming, and then my whole USB driver decided to disappear. And I had experienced that before, and the only way to fix that is to reboot. Maybe that it's not, but you know, I'm doing a lot of things with USB nowadays, and I'm not surprised that it just kind of broke. But give me a second. I'm just sharing stuff again. I'm just doing a follow-up to my previous post. But anyways, so maybe let me post this to Discord as well, because this was not intentional, and this is probably on me. I blame Arch for this, guys. I blame Arch. It's because of Arch. It's kind of fucked up that this happened, but whatever, we just grinding, we keep grinding. So what I was doing is basically trying to like figure out why am I getting this crash, and my guess is because of the available memory. And I am not the first one who did this, luckily, and there's like a little workaround over here somewhere. So it's here. Oh, we need to initialize the... Okay, that makes sense actually. I didn't even do that. That's why it's crashing. So embedded, what was the name of the crate again? What was it? I'm trying to like go to cargo tomo. Embedded alloc. So embedded alloc. So you create a heap, and then you gotta allocate in there. So let's do that. I'm gonna just steal this part. What happened? Did you just pull off Ethernet cable? No. My, like, the whole, like, USB driver on my system, like, the whole thing just disappeared. So my microphone was not working. And yeah, we are so back. So my microphone started, like, my microphone disappeared. So at that point, what do? Yeah, I kind of like unmounted all the USB devices, but I don't know what I did. Like, I have no idea. I don't know how that happened. Okay, I accidentally ran the Bluetooth TUI. I accidentally did that, and I kind of disconnected from my headphones because that's the key binding. I pressed something and then something happened. But then why does it affect the whole like USB thing? Like, why did it just disconnect all my devices and the whole driver just disappeared? So, you know, sudo umount. So when you run ls USB, you know, you see these like these stuff, right? All of these buses disappeared. So I don't know. I don't know. But we are back. So okay. Now we have this this heap allocator thing. It's gonna be interesting. So I will try this again. Okay, yeah, we were not bussing at all, man. We were not bussing at all. So I'll disconnect my my webcam really carefully. I'll connect this thing. Maybe this is doing something. I don't know. But anyways, let's just really quickly run these commands. I don't want to fuck around with USB drivers anymore. Okay, I'm really scared now. So I'm gonna just run this thing over here. Not dev. Okay, deploy it. Something is happening. Manufacturer rat company. How is that? So let's see the logs maybe. Can I see the logs? Okay, something's fucking up. Okay, very cool. Oh my god. Alright, unplugging this thing actually. I'm gonna try again, guys. Hopefully we'll be bussing. Nothing happens. I don't get anything in the serial console. Okay, loop. It's looping. It's looping, but like, why is it looping? Loop. So there's like no like terminal draw errors, which is nice. But it's looping. Maybe we need to flush. There's no terminal new error and terminal. Okay, it's drawing something, but I don't see it right now. It's basically just like this broken screen again. If you want to see it, this is what I'm seeing right now. If I could maybe connect to my Droid camera. This is like just broken, you know. Maybe I'm missing some step here. It's still looping. It's actually running, which is great, but it's probably not flashing. That's probably why. Let me search for flash. It doesn't flash here at all. Graphics rendering debugging is so fun. I don't know if you're being sarcastic or just genuinely excited. I don't know which one, man. I cannot tell, because I've been trying to like run this little tiny display since yesterday. I'm losing my mind, and I don't know what I'm gonna do at the end. We need to brainstorm about this in this live stream, if I can actually manage to run Ratatouille on this. But give me a second. So oh, I'm still drawing a circle here, which is not great. Let me just remove that. Yeah, the debugging is hell. So good thing is, if the flesh is the problem here, we could go here and just do a flesh callback, flesh callback. So config. So when you do this, in here you could. What is the driver though? Oh, I need to start my LSP again. By the way, the best thing I have did in the last week is just disabling Rust Analyzer, like like automatically, like it's not starting automatically now, which is great. I'm glad I did that. Okay, there's no bugs though. There's no bugs. What is bugs? I don't have that. Because it's just like, when I just want to casually browse a code base, it just starts in the background. It's very annoying. So I just manually started now. There's no bugs, guys. What do we do? I cannot override the flesh callback now. That's kind of fucked. Maybe here we flash first. Is this the actually like the reason why this is happening? Mutable display embedded backend. Do we need to make this thing mutable? Okay, kind of cursed. This is kind of cursed actually. Mutable display. Embedded backend. Do we have access to the display? Maybe it's flashing automatically. I don't know. Let me go to the embedded backend. Flash callback. Nope, it's not flashing. How am I gonna use the bugs in embedded, guys? How can I use bugs in NoSTD app? Why are we using bugs here anyways? And I don't know if there's like, if it would actually work if I did that. Linked list allocator. I have an allocator. Okay, so where's the config again? Okay, wait a second. What is driver? Flash callback. Okay, the driver is basically the display. So display. What was the call again? Flash. Just unwrap. Run cargo build and fix the error then. In the entry there. By the way, I call this project TUI because it's an ant. It's a TUI for ants, but if you have any like better ideas, let me know. And the name comes from that this is, you know, a tiny screen and it's a tiny thing, so tiny. Everything's tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Okay, it fixed it apparently. Nope. Nope. Oh, this is because I have the flesh thing still here. Where is it? Dude, doesn't work. Oh, I need to run it like this. What is the TUI? Could be nice. Hello, by the way, Simons. I totally forget about the carbonyl thing today. Sorry, I'll take a look at that tomorrow. My mind was just super occupied with this project today. I'm going insane, I think, guys. I'm just building TUIs for ants. What am I doing? What the hell is going on? What are the data types? Yeah, I know that. I know the problem. Just give me the fix already. D is basically some display driver, and I think you could just use like this type here, SSD something something. Is that OpenAI Codex? Is it good? Yeah, it's good. We're about to find out actually. It's not good because it cannot fix this problem right now. I have to do it myself again. I have to do it myself. So display is oh my god, guys, look at the fucking type. What the hell? Okay, this is the type. Oh man. Oh my god. Have you tried kilo code? No. What is that? So a little trick that I used to get that type is basically I assign to something stupid. I run this and then I mean even the Rust compiler truncates that. Okay, so whatever. I couldn't copy that, so I'm gonna go ahead and SSD something something. Can I just like infer those? Yeah, I can. Okay, I fixed it. Guys, I'm so fucking smart. Jeez, man. I was smarter than AI for a change. Wow. Okay. All right. I feel great right now. I feel amazing. Okay, let's just flash this again. Wow, dude. That was unexpected. I feel I have a big brain. Can we get the brain emojis in the chat? Can we get the drop the brain emojis, guys? Let's get those brains. Wow. If any recruiters watching this live stream, hire me. I'm skilled. I have everything that you want. I can write code without AI. Okay. So let's see if it's gonna work. Oh my god, guys, it's working. Oh my god, it's working, guys. Let me show you. Hold on a second. Ad break. Ad break. This is amazing. Look at this. Wow. I don't know if you can actually read it though. Can you just focus, please? The tiniest TUI ever. Oh my god. Rat. Amazing. I love this. Alright guys, so we got it. We got this working now. We have a TUI. This is a TUI. Alright, this is the new era of TUIs. Anti-TUI. Yeah, I love that. So guys, now the actual important thing. Now we gotta do the actually important thing. Okay. Where's the whiteboard? We gotta find a project idea. Let me just pull up the whiteboard here. So, Xkelly draw. I'm gonna invite you guys as well. This is gonna be Ratatouille smartwatch. That's, I think, what the fuck was that? Xkelly draw. Okay. Too tiny TUI. Alright, new, how do I create a new one here? Let's create a new one on the private tab. Oh my god, this is so fucking bright. Okay. 1 second. Don't go anywhere, okay? We're gonna brainstorm here in a second. Open. What the hell? There's no new. Reset the canvas. Yeah, okay. Live collaboration. Start session. Your name. Rat. Just rat. Alright, copy. There you go, guys. Come here. We are on a whiteboard now. So what do we have? RP 2040. Okay. We have this board. Can we just make it large? X large. Let's do X large. We have this thing. We have a tiny ass screen display. Okay. Question. Questui. What do we do with this? All right. So, ideas. Okay, and also let's just put the names, like names of like potential names for this thing. Thank you for the smiley face over there. So Antui. What was the other one? Antatui. Smartwatch. It's too small for that. Look, this is the size of we're talking about. This is the size. Okay, this is like my fingernails are this big. My thumb is this big, so yeah, I don't know. Tweets for ants. How many pixels? Yeah, this is very small. Let me give you the size, like the actual size. It is where is it? It must be something. Okay, 72 by 40. 72 by 40 pixels. Uh, 0.42 inch. Guys, also just be aware that I'll use this thing in a presentation, so it should be really impressive. Whatever we come up with here should be really impressive. I'll share some of my ideas. What's the resolution? Yeah, I don't know how many terminal cells we can fit inside of this, by the way. The goal is cheese. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. I know. Okay, majestic goose. I know. What are you shaking that like that? Okay. Okay, there you go. Please for ants. I'll just ask the ChatGPT, guys. I'll just ask ChatGPT. How about we do a little emoji picker? Real life emoji picker, how about that? Or wait a minute. Fractals. Let's render fractals on this. How about this? Or like a 3D rat. Well, this is not a TUI anymore. I'm just doing graphics programming on this. I don't want to do like... I should probably do like an actual like TUI... like, you know... Like the terminal... You should... Cheese locator. Cheese locator. Snake game. Could be interesting. Definitely could be interesting. Okay, let me just write that down actually. The snake game. Fractal thing. I don't know. Emoji something. Guys, brainstorm. Brainstorm. You gotta come up with something. I'm gonna just give all this thing to ChatGPT. Show weather. There's no Wi-Fi on this. There's no Bluetooth, there's no Wi-Fi. We could maybe like do it, but it's gonna be offline. Also, remember, this is too tiny, okay? It's just like this. And you know what? You know what I did today? I was like, okay, if I'm gonna render TUIs on this, and I have like this much of space, like this is literally what I have, right? This is what I have, so just very tiny. I need a small battery. I actually need a really small battery, so that's what I did. I just got this battery. So, you know, the whole thing is gonna be this big, basically, and this is the screen. Maybe I could get even a smaller battery, but not sure. Let's try this one first. We're gonna try it. Let's see where it goes. Accelerometer you put into your bag. In the measure how jittery you've been. Oh wow, that's a great idea. Oh, that's a really cool idea actually. Is there like a... I need a sensor probably though. We could maybe do like a... We could do like a step counter. Maybe. Okay, actually, let me just check a accelerometer sensor. Is it like a big thing? It's actually not a big thing. MPU 6050. It's probably gonna take some time to figure out how to do the actual walking calculation thingy. Maybe I could get this actually. That's a great idea. I like that. I should probably get it tomorrow though, because I'm on a speed run to finish this project, kind of. But yeah, it's a great idea. Somebody's doing some artistic work over here. Really artistic. I'm just watching whoever this is. Okay, anyways. Street pass, rat style. Detect when other rats are nearby with their own... Oh my god. That's amazing. Yeah, that requires some form of violence. Yeah. If I used ESP32, I could probably do that. I could probably do that. Wait a minute. Maybe we could do this. Easiest way to do IoT with Raspberry Pi 2040. So many cool ideas, guys. I'm actually getting excited. Okay. ESP32 has the ESP wave or whatever it's called. It's proprietary used to communicate between ESPs. Yeah. I like this idea. Let me see my ChatGPT. I mean, it just says that you should use ESP for this. So not the problem, but I could do that. But that would be another project, I think. I could just simply do it on... where's that board? I just lose it? I could just do it on here, like... Just do it on here, you know, I don't need a RP2040. I could just like run it on here. That's gonna be fine. It's gonna be easy to do. Straightforward, at least. Not easy maybe, but straightforward. So I want this tiny thing to be special. And the accelerometer idea was great, I think. What is this street pass? Oh, you mean this one? Okay, got it. It's just an example. Alright, any other ideas? I like this little art over here, man. Whoever drew this, it's fucking great. I just love it. Amazing. Amazing. Fast fetch. You want to see Arch Linux on a tiny display? We could probably render that. Yes, Arch, by the way. Okay. I like this idea. I'm gonna actually copy this thing over here to ChatGPT. Here are some project ideas. I need something presentable. What do you think? Hopefully the ideas were licensed under MIT plus Apache or something. Snake game overdone. Yeah, emoji. Cheese locator. Okay, how do we do that? Like, what is cheese locator? What does that mean? Tiny tweaks for tiny devices. I want to see how small a tweak can get before it stops being useful. It's a goal-oriented interface. So what is cheese locator? What is on screen example? Cheese, 3 meters, signal. Inputs, button, rotary encoder, timed auto update, serial commands. How it grows. What is cheese locator? I have a similar thing. It has an antenna that just scans for other Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. signals. Should I just add an antenna to this? It's gonna be overkill though. I need something simple right now. Somebody just pasted there. Samus just pasted the fast fetch output here. Appreciate it. Thank you, Sermons. Cheese locator. Detect moisture. I like the accelerometer idea. Cheese locator. Let's see what this thing is. Conceptual mini app that fits your hardware and your vibe really well. The tiny interface whose only job is to guide you towards a goal. Cheese a metaphor. The locator is a state machine feedback loop. The mental model. You move, act, device updates, you get feedback. Am I closer to the cheese? You choose one meaning. A physical location. Single strength. Time reach and zero virtual target. Wait. So should I use any sensors for that? It's too small. Okay, maybe I could present it as okay, I will just say, hey, I have built this tiny tree for rats to find the cheese or something. Yeah, just like some UI, basically. Okay, this is saying like just some UI. Okay. Accelerometer. RSSI signal strength. Light sensor. Sensors I would avoid in V1. GPS. Interesting idea, guys. Should I build the cheese locator? Bad apple. Should I just vibe code it, guys? What do you think? Also, let me actually check my setup. Maybe I have some sensors that I can use just now. I might have something. Maybe I have an accelerometer actually. Hold on. Rat Morse translator. Okay, how's that gonna work? We will use the button probably. Oh, we could. I could add a buzzer to this, right? Oh my god, that would be nice. With button and buzzer, yes. Interesting. So, okay, so how's that gonna work? Just walk me through that. You'll press the button, and then it will show the translated Morse code, right? Or how's that gonna work? Let me just ask ChatGPT. How about Rat Morse translator with button and buzzer? It's an interesting idea for sure. Binary temporal minimal. You tap the button in Morse, the rat decodes it and squeaks it back. The timing is gonna be a bit. Is gonna be a bit, you know, bit like that. Short press dot, long press dash. Oh, actually guys, I have a microphone module as well, you know. I have a microphone module as well, so we could potentially just put everything in here. Just like read and, you know, like input and output. We could do that maybe. Man, this is getting overkill. I don't have that much of time probably. Rat Morse translator is a tiny tweet that turns button timing into language. This is better than cheese locator, I agree with that. May display a single letter or a whole word after some input. Vape TUI. Mechanical vape with a TUI. Actually, I gotta build that at some point. Brother, whoever typed this one, reach me out. Let's do that. Voice to Morse code generator. God says. Oh my god. God says. Random word generator. There are endless ideas here. Bad apple. Play arbitrary video files. Shit quality. Translate when you squeak into a microphone as Morse code. Must be speaker frequency high pitched. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit overkill if I do that. Okay, so many things, man. Let me actually check if I have a accelerometer. I'm curious. I have so many things in here, but I'm not sure I have the MP, whatever that was. Accelerometer sensor. What is it? I'm actually like very interested in the vape TUI idea. it would be fun. Accelerometer sensor. What was the name again? MP something. I don't know. I'll try to find it. I have some random ass stuff in here. Maybe I just randomly have it. Probably not though. I suspect that I randomly have that. What does it look like? It has so many pins. What the hell is this? It says W25QXX. W25QXX. Flash memory module. Nope. If you're asking why I have all these stuff, it's because one of my friends, he was like, I bulk ordered these and I don't need these. There you go, you just have them. And I was like, okay, just that's fine, thank you, I guess. It's pretty good. This is another display. How many displays do I have, man? And these are the stuff that he gave me, basically. The Morse code idea is the best, I think. The Morse code is pretty good. Okay, I don't have the I don't have an X or a mater just laying around here. Let's see. Wave tweet. God says, gotta go now. Keep cooking. Thank you, Sammons. Thank you for joining. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Morse code. Let's maybe do that. Can I use the onboard buttons on this? Actually, there's like boot and reset button. Can I use the boot and reset boot button on RP2040 I just want to override it actually. I want to repurpose it. Hello, Bariesa. Welcome. Okay, just use a normal button then. It's probably fine too. Okay, so I'll commit my changes here because they work now. I'll just commit them. I'll build the Morse code thing, guys. Let me just do that. Little pocket size Morse code. Any progress on the uncursed OLED? Oh boy, we have some progress. I'll show you. I'll show you, man. It's super nice. It is super nice. One sec. I'm trying to like get my Droid camera up and running. Check this out, man. Boom, we have the Ratworks now. It is working. Let's get it. Oh, I can just zoom in. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I should have just zoomed in. Boom. Boom, we have the Ratworks. Nice. Nice. Amazing. I love it. So now we're building an app. Now we have more things to do. Now we have like, okay, the Morse code, let's do the little pocket size. Not even pocket size actually. Yeah, let's do the Morse code. Integrate Ratatouille. All right, so we need a button, right? And let me actually create a... I'm gonna remove these error handling stuff because they work, so I don't care. Unwrap. All right, so I'll create an app RS here. I will refactor some stuff. Let's create a app module, struct app, impl app. Or maybe not. Let's just keep it simple for now. Never mind. I'll just let's do something like, we need a button, right? Let me just get a button here. We find some cool buttons. Just a regular one. I have a regular one. Is it the first module or the new one? This is the old one actually. I apparently didn't fry it by powering it on with 5 volts. So it happened to work. And I don't want to question how. It just works. Guys, look at all the stuff that I have. I'm just flexing at this point. I'm just looking if I can find like a smaller button here, which I just did. I found a smaller one. I like the smell of this, by the way. I like the smell of this. This is the best dish ever. Like you get this like kind of for dinner and it's great. Anyways, so I found this little one. But we want the button to be as comfortable as possible, probably. Right? I'm gonna take it out for a second. I'm gonna check out some other stuff. I think I have a box. I should have a box of buttons somewhere. Where is it? I'm sorry. Where are they? Oh, there you go. I have the usual cube, not cube, square buttons. I have the long one. I think I'm gonna use the long one. It's the most comfortable here. Okay, let's plug it in here. I need a buzzer. I'm gonna find it from here again, probably. These are gonna be, I think, the largest parts in this whole thing. Like, this buzzer is bigger than the fucking display. This buzzer is literally bigger than the display. Look at the size. Look at the size. It's the same size as the fucking display. Anyways. Yeah. So that's that. Hello, sleepy dev, welcome. All right, let's get back to here. Let's do, so we need some kind of a counter. I'll build the Morse code app. Give me a roadmap for that. I want to save this image. Let's do this PNG and TUI. Ideas PNG. Okay, so the roadmap. Translate Morse input from a button into text. Visual audio feedback. So I need a button. Buzzer. Morse table. I feel like I could just vibe code this. Give me a codex prompt till phase 4. Here is my main RS. I will put all the other logic in app RS. Handle the button stuff in the loop. Keep everything very minimal and avoid type hell. Alright, guys, I'll just wipe code it. Let's switch to yeah, I think this model is okay. Is this the codex prompt? Okay, I'll just copy the whole thing and I won't actually remove. Okay, let me remove the these stuff. Should I read it? Whatever. Just implement it. Come on. In the meantime, I'll prepare the breadboard. Give me the pin connections now. GP4 button. Okay, what is GP4 actually? I don't know, just like I'm already using codecs, so just want to go with that. GP4, where is it? There's no specific reason. GPIO 4, I think this one. So GPIO 4 is the 6th pin. Let me just connect it up. Let me just connect this thing up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's actually 1, 2, 4. Okay, so wait, GPI 4, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this goes to the button, and from button to need a cable. It's gonna go from button to what is this sensor, by the way? I just found it in my cables. Anyways, jumper. This might work. Trying to go to the ground, I think. This is the first pin of the display. Okay, we have the button hooked up. Six. I already connected this, so that's that. Okay, let's see. Something happened here. Let's see what we have. Just wipe coded something. So what is it rendering? Ratworks. It's rendering a paragraph. I should probably add like some widget showcase to this as well. Like I should just like probably do like some showcase. Embedded hull is updated. There's no like version 2 of that. So what the hell? Wait, what? What just happened? What? Did it just update the version of embedded hull and it just worked? Oh, it's downgraded. Sorry. Why did you downgrade though? I don't want you to downgrade. Embedded hull. Embedded hull changelog. Not Linux embedded hull. Okay, there you go. So I gotta fix this v2. New version of digital has been digital v2. Oh, okay, that's just easy to fix. I can just go ahead and fix that myself. Okay, seems like we have it compiling, so it's definitely doing something. Decode Morse. Let's just flash it. I don't know what to expect from this, but let's just flash it. So I gotta boot it from boot it from the boot mode, which doesn't make any sense, but you know what I mean. And we go ahead and deploy this. All right, rat Morse. We have some stuff going on, guys. I'll show you. 1 second. Let me show you over in my Ratworks camera. Not Ratdroid. What? Droid camera. What did I just say, man? I'm going insane because of all this rat stuff. You tried Codex app. What is that? Codex app? What do you mean? Okay, guys. Yes, this is fast. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can. Fuck. Rat Morse. Alright. That's the best that I can do. Sorry for the quality. Nothing is happening. Amazing. At least we got the text. Maybe I'm using the wrong pin. 1 second. I'm trying to like see what I used here. So button is GPIO 2. I'm not using GPIO 2. I'm using 4. So let's just use 2. Okay. Okay, now we're in business. That's actually kind of working. I mean, I see like some things. Key. Oh my god, that's working actually. It's just the problem is I don't know the Morse codes. I think it's a bit late to say that, but I don't know how they work. I know how they work, but I don't have anything like, yeah. I mean, it works. So it's E like this. Does it like clear the buffer at some point, or I really want to focus on this 1 second. So we have four rows and wait. What if I just like press it endlessly? Okay, Ratworks is working, guys. Ratworks. I should probably read the code now. Clear on next letter. So there's some clear logic. The output. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just render widget, just a paragraph. And I'm gonna assign a block to it. Oh, what am I doing? Can I also like set the border style? I want yellow. Now we're doing actual Ratatouille programming, guys. Oops. What did I do? Okay. Oh, what the hell? I don't know what just happened there. But anyways. So yeah, the color. How do I start the list B? Okay, yellow color. That doesn't work. Okay. Border set. Border type, I think. Let's have rounded borders. Also, I want to center this. Oops, wrong import. Nope, okay. And yeah, that's that. We are rendering the output here. Decode. We probably need to decode, like render the decoded output as well. So let me take all of this back actually for a second. Decode it. Last letter. Okay, never mind. Wait, is this like, how is this rendering it actually? Oh, current symbol. So it's gonna be 2 lines actually. We don't have a vector. But you're building that, but I'm building a tiny Morse code decoder using TUI on this screen. On this screen. Current char plus output. We don't have a vector, do we? Yeah, it's in the alloc. So we could just use this. These are strings though. Okay, how do I create a line? Oh, this is a character. This code is really bad. This code is really bad. Okay, wait a minute. There you go. That was easy. Let me make this styled too. Okay. What are you using now? It's just now. Nothing too fancy. Okay. We have have everything set up, I think. Let me just flash it again. The problem is, it doesn't fit the screen. This title does not fit the screen. It says T Morse and that's it. And we don't have colors for some reason. But it looks really cute. I like it. Looks really cute. I'll flash again. The colors are not there though. I don't know why there's like no colors. Yeah, it's a OLED display. Super tiny. It's just like I have a button and I'm just like decoding it. It's not doing anything fancy for now. So I'll show you. I'll show you 1 second. This is the UI, and that's the button that we have. It's so simple for now. It's just like, just you press and then it just decodes to whatever you pressed. Hi. Hi. So yeah. Yeah, it was just like a little presentation project. It's not super fancy. The actual like impressive thing here is that okay, what happened to my video? Okay, the impressive thing is that we're using a thermal UI library for this. Are you a ham radio operator? No, man. I'm nothing close to that. I'm just a Rust developer. Cheese ready operator, let's go. I like that. So the Ratworks looking good. Maybe let's add the buzzer. Should I add the buzzer or? Okay, the decoding works. Should I add the buzzer next or what was the microphone module? Or the max 4466. That's the microphone. So human button decode screen with the buzzer. Human button decode screen sound human. So the buzzer is basically gonna just spit out the current message, I think. Echo Morse. Yeah, let's do a short beep, long beep thing. Okay, let's do... Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. My current code. Give me a codex prompt in the similar fashion as before. You likely want to wait to control the WPM speed of the audio beeper. Probably. Yeah, I'm basically like echoing what the user inputs, not re-encode decoded text. Should I re-encode decoded text? Dr. Backler, what do you think? What should I do here? You seem like a ham radio operator, so that's why I'm asking you. It should be the correct thing here. If you want to make a Morse trainer, you can send some random letter first and then have the user echo it back and score based on accuracy. Not sure if I want to do that. Probably not. I'll just use it as a feedback for now, I think, just echoing it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'll just add here. Add simple Morse decoder. Okay, let's just continue. I want to wait, let's just codex resume here. Yo, time to add buzzer. Man, this thing is just, I think, going out of control at this point. I wanted to keep it very simple, but now we're actually building an app. And I'm afraid this display will be actually gonna look really small on the thing that I am building, because my battery is bigger than the display. The buzzer is bigger than the display. The microcontroller is bigger. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's see. Let's see where this goes, okay? I'm just glad that it works. I'm just glad that it works. Scope creep. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, something has happened here. Let's see. The buzzer is not. Buzzer tick. Wired the buzzer as well. GPIO 6. Okay, let's just wire it up. GPIO 6 is chosen for buzzer. How should I wire it up, dog? I like the Guts' idea. Could be a fun, super simple second project. Click button, get new word. Actually, at this point, I'm considering to have multiple apps on this. Like I'm thinking of just adding another button and just switch to another app or something. You know? Should I just do that? What do you think? I like the find the cheese idea as well. Also, I need to showcase some widgets on this. The basic idea was just to showcase that you can run Ratatouille on this, but now we're just adding a bunch of stuff. Okay, let's just wire it up, guys. So I need to jump for cables. Okay, that GPIO 6 or what was it, 4 or something? GPIO 6. Okay, so that is wait, is it on 6? Can I just use 3 actually? Can I just use GPIO 3? Okay, I'll just use 6. I trust them. So 6 is this pin over here. Okay, that's connected. Detect transitions. It's just like any like buzzer. I don't know. With mic, it can also become a guitar tuner, but again, other big stuff for this time. Yeah. If it's piezoelectric element, you can hook it up to 2 GPIOs and alternate between high and low on each of them. Larger voltage switch does a higher volume input. No, it's just like the normal, like two pin buzzer. It tries to do like the same thing. Okay, is it fixed? Button is mutable. All right, let me just flash it. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's see what's gonna happen. Nothing is happening right now. It's a bit scary. What? Let me actually use an LED for now. Maybe this buzzer is not working or something. The LED works. Let me show you 1 second. I should really get like a better setup right now, dude. Or I should just hire somebody to hold the camera for me. Anyone is looking for a job, I can give you like 2 pieces of cheese or something. Okay. That's a good angle. That's a pretty good angle actually. That's amazing. Okay, so this kind of works. The buzzer does not work though. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe this is actually broken, I have no idea. I'll just use another one. Maybe the voltage is not enough for this or something. Do I need 5 volts? Do I need 5 volts for this? Why is it not working? I see there are different versions of those buzzers. Probably I need a like a 5 volt, like 3.3 volts. There you go. That's so loud. There's a little bit of delay though. Yeah, it works. I don't know why there's a delay though. Okay, so I'll look into why there's a delay. It's probably because of the loop, like the terminal render loop, probably. That's my guess. Thank you for joining. Good night. There seems to be a little delay between the time that I press the button and the buzzer is activated. Can you fix it? What? That code is not readable. Simplify it and remove some stuff if necessary. The silence gap. I could try this in the meantime though. We'll just try it. This actually works quite well. I mean, I can also try this one too. Looks like it's trying to understand what you're sending first, a dev or a dit. After it gets it, then plays a beep for that long. Yeah, feels like that. Maybe I should keep that, but I don't know. I should probably keep that. This also works though. You don't see it, but I mean. Yeah, I'll just keep it like this. This is better, I like it. Doesn't have to be really complex, I think. Okay, add buzzer. What's next? It's really fun to play with. Okay, we can do long button hold, clear everything. We can do that. Okay, now the long button hold is clearing it. Okay, cool. Let me try again. No, it doesn't clear. Anyways, let's try to wipe code this as well. Yeah, so much beeping. Sorry for the beeping. Sorry for beeping. Actually, after we turn stuff to dots and dashes, we can decode to oh, we can fucking visualize this too. Holy shit. Guys, we have a chart widget. We have a chart widget. Let's just visualize this. So, chart. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay. Let me just think here. Mouse foot. Let's take a look at that. What do we have as a demo in there? I'm thinking about what to demo on this app. So in mouse foot, yeah, definitely we'll have this for the samples that we're reading. What else can we demo? Let me go to Ratatouille examples, apps. No, let's go to widgets. Examples. Can we demo gauge? Maybe. I think the most like impressive one is this chart. So let's maybe demo that. And then I will probably need to add another button for this other menu. You press the button to go to other menu, and in the menu you'll see your samples, and you can add another menu. How about the cheese locator? Do we want that? Do we want the cheese locator? You're just basically making a little like spy agent tool with this, guys. Like it has the Morse code decoder, it has the cheese locator. Like this is some James Bond type shit, man. Kind of like that. Maybe I should go and get the go and get the freaking accelerometer sensor tomorrow. If you're really serious about this, I should get that. Gold electrum, gold, silver, copper. Man, I should probably get that. Also, I have like 10 days. Yeah, I have 10 days. I can do that in 10 days, but the problem is I need to prepare my slides. I'm gonna just do the presentation on this display. That's my idea, actually. That's literally what I'm thinking of doing. But not on this display. I need the bigger one. On this one, actually. So yeah, I'll do the whole. Okay, I'll just spoil it. I'll do the whole thing on this display. I need to build a presentation, embedded presentation tool. It's gonna be really funny. But yeah. This is 2.8 inches. Yeah, I need to figure out how to run this as well. Portable slideshow machine. Yes, that's my goal, but you know, I need to finish this project first to be able to do that next. So, like, I will be working on this, but you know, in the meantime, I'll be actually working on my slides. So I have so much shit to build. I have so much shit to grind. But maybe I should just go with ESP32 on these thing, because if you hook up the microphone, you could perhaps plot audio on that chart via Boometer. Yeah, exactly. That's my goal. Maybe I could just like, I can use like RP2040 on this one as well, but yeah, I'm not sure what I should do here. Maybe I should go with ESP32, but that's gonna be a bit annoying. Do I need ESP32? I'm just thinking. I have another display too. Hold on a second. So I have two displays, two potential candidates. I think the blue one is bigger, so I'm gonna go with the blue one. This is touchscreen, but I'm not gonna deal with that for now. If you want to hook up anything with Wi-Fi, go for the ESP32. Yeah, you're right. I'm just checking if I have another display here. I don't think so. So, okay, the goal is do the presentation on this. I'll add two buttons and only this RP2040. So this will be the whole setup, I think. Two buttons at the bottom. Go to the next slide, previous slide. Yeah. I should figure out how to render images with Ratatouille on this. You can use graphics embedded graphics for that, but you know. Also, I want to do a PCB. I think doing a PCB is impossible, especially given the time constraints. So I will probably just build it on one of these. So you know, we'll save some time. Most likely gonna use one of these. Or maybe I'll buy a really small breadboard like this one and just do it on this, but probably not. I could potentially just like use it like this, you know, but then yeah, probably won't fit here. It's gonna look weird. Nope. Yeah, the perf board for the win. Gonna use with these. Use these. I need some sockets too. Do I have any like sockets somewhere? I just need them because I don't want to plug this whole thing. Okay, let me just make some notes. Is it going to be battery powered? Make sure you have large enough capacity so you don't run out during the presentation. Yeah, I think I have this one. 1000 milliamps. Good enough, right? Hopefully, I don't know. So okay, I'll make some notes. I need to buy I'll look into breadboards. Accelerometer sensor, some socket for the pins. Okay, that's that. So yeah, put a battery indicator. Yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea. So yeah, that's the whole plan. Probably need to grind a lot in the upcoming days. So gotta go. Night and good luck. Thank you for hanging out with us, Dr. Backler. Appreciate your existence. Thanks a lot. So let's go to Twitter. I think I did the plotting already. Frequency chart. Waveform. Okay, so we're gonna start small. Let's start small. Hook up the max 4466. Draw the frequency waveform chart using Ratatouille. Add another button. Switch to that menu. Redraw samples and draw. Alright. It's not really small, but whatever. GP26, what is that? Okay, ADC 0, there you go. Hello, welcome Linux Mobile, how's it going? This is gonna be a larger physical thing that I'm, what I'm expecting actually. It's gonna be really big. There's a lot of components. Amazing. Congrats on the release. With more blood like people want. Nice. How is this good? So you're not worried about getting banned for custom client? These ADC stuff is removed, embedded. Could just use this. GPI of 5. Okay, it's building. Oh no, it's not using the chart widget. Damn. Yeah, this code doesn't make sense. Guys, maybe I'll take a step back from this and think about what I'm doing, because right now I'm just like, I'm just on the roll, you know. So maybe I'll just take a step back and think about this, reconsider what I'm doing in the morning maybe, because right now I just keep going if I just keep going, you know. But this was extremely fun. I'll just close all these tabs. I'll show you the latest app. Linux Mobile, check this out. Check this thing that I've did today. Yeah, it's a black screen. How is it? It's come on. Come on. It's rat horse. No, it's rat morse. And it actually works. So there's this button over here. There's this LED and buzzer. Very complicated, as you can see. Very complicated. Can I just play with this? Okay, there you go. Perfect. Perfect. Finally. Yeah, review. Amazing. I just don't know Morse code. That's the problem. So yeah, that's the thing. The problem right now, which is not a problem, but one issue that I'm thinking of right now is, this is cool, but the screen is too small now because I will have all the other components. This thing, battery, microphone, it's not hooked up yet, the buzzer and so on. So this is gonna be bigger than I was imagining. So I don't know what should I do. Do you know the bomb crate? Yes. Probably just put everything on here. It does feel a bit silly if all the peripherals are 3x bigger than the screen. Yes. Yeah, you're right. But the point of doing this was just to demonstrate the screen. I was not planning to do a whole like full-fledged app, goddammit. But anyways, yeah, all the sensors and everything is gonna be bigger than the screen. There's no way that there's no way I'm finding like smaller stuff. But I could probably find them, but not very quickly. Then why does the screen even exist in the first place? Who's using this screen? I'm thinking. What if you make just like a pin that you can attach that to your hat or coat? Yeah. Yeah, I think that could be nice. And it has info switching on it occasionally, like a name badge that has your name. Switches to GitHub, random other stuff, I don't know, some fractals for fun stat points. Yeah, I think it's really like just small for that still, but yeah. I think it makes sense to only have three things in this thing, like 3 things, like battery, the microcontroller, and the display. If I start adding more stuff, then it's gonna get very crowded really quickly, and the display will be it's gonna be really silly because it's really small, you know. Micro even better. Velcro. Yeah. Yeah, I think I will just make this thing not super functional, but instead just some cool little thing that shows some info, maybe. Maybe God says. Like, think where you can attach to your cap and you have a TUI on your hat. Yeah. I think going with a slightly bigger display might be even better though. Like, look at this. You know? Slightly bigger. You can have it switch widgets on a timer, new one every 5 seconds. You know what? I think I will go with this slightly bigger screen like this. Not anymore because I just broke it, but probably not. Hopefully it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna go with a slightly bigger one, and I will include this little one. I'll also make a little one for demo purposes. Smart ring. Yeah, smart ring would be actually pretty good. Yeah, I'm still thinking what to do here. If I go with a slightly bigger one, which is I think almost like 1 inch, this one could be better in terms of visibility. Yeah, I should also get like a smaller battery. And just note that as well. Okay, I see that. So now, like, I think I'll have like multiple demos. From the small display to the big one. I'm just thinking, guys, sorry. I don't know. More demos, more fun. Yeah. I should probably start building the slideshow tool soon. I don't want to get stuck in this demo phase. Probably tomorrow I should start building the portable slide thing. Yeah, let me do that tomorrow actually. Because right now I have a feel for how the development in NoSTD and RP2040 goes. I know how things work roughly. I know how to debug things, how to flash things, how to handle stuff. I can run Ratatouille on this, so I'm pretty much set. So yeah, let me start building the slideshow thing tomorrow. So yeah, that's the goal. I don't know how that will work out though. It's gonna be really interesting. I should have a name for these projects as well. What would you call a portable slide show OLED display thing built with Ratatouille? Cheese deck. Rat deck. Ported TUI. Rad show. What else? I need a wordplay. Present term, you know, like present term. I don't know. I'm too tired for this. I'll think about it tomorrow, probably. Oh, also, I should have animations on that with Tachyon effects. Okay, I think I have a rough plan of what I should do. So that's cool. Yeah, Tycoon FX. I mean, when you think about it, the slideshow tools are just like for showing some text and bullet points and just code pieces and images, right? It shouldn't be too difficult to do it on embedded. Right. It shouldn't be. So okay, that's the plan. Tomorrow I'm gonna do that. Also, I should just find something to demonstrate on this little display. PowerPoint TUI. PowerPoint TUI is actually pretty good. Tachyon FX is amazing. I will animate more components in Ratatouille, like image placeholder loading. Yeah, it's really good. Let me just edit the title of this live stream. Running Ratatouille on a tiny display. Building the smallest TUI ever. 0.42 inches. Okay, I get lots of thinking to do, guys. I don't know about you, but I just you know, gotta focus, lock in. PP tweaks. It's not bad. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. Alright, anyways guys, I'm just gonna go now. This was really fun. A lot of progress. A lot of things happened on this live stream. It was great. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for grinding. Appreciate the grind. I'll see you probably tomorrow. But in any case, just take good care of yourself. Never forget. Always grind. Always just pushing that boulder up the fucking hill like Sisyphus or someone like that. I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Take care and just you do you. I don't know. I guess that's the fucking message for tonight. I have no idea. It's been 3 hours. My brain is a fucking potato right now. Take care, guys. Also, one last thing, I just like PHP a lot. Just want to say that.